Nowhere else on Earth combines fire and ice like this. It is a land of profound contrasts, a place where the planet's inner heat breaks through its frozen crust. Here in the vast North Atlantic, an island is being forged in real time. We call this place Iceland. Its story is written in black volcanic rock, brilliant white ice. One moment, the landscape is still and silent, draped in a blanket of snow. The next, the ground can tremble and split, revealing the fiery heart of the world itself. It is a constant, dramatic dance between two of nature's most powerful forces. This island is a geological infant. It is young and restless. Its surface is a mosaic of sprawling lava fields, some still warm to the touch. Yet towering over this volcanic world are immense glaciers, rivers of ancient ice that have sculpted the land for millennia. To truly understand Iceland, we must look deep beneath its surface. The island sits astride a massive seam in the Earth's crust. This is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, two enormous tectonic plates slowly, relentlessly moving apart. North American plate, west, Eurasian plate, east. This constant separation creates a zone of weakness. A rift runs through the heart of the country, tearing it apart a few centimeters each year, about the same speed as your fingernails grow. The rift isn't hidden, it's visible. At Thingvellir National Park, you can walk the valley that marks the divide. Standing here, you are between two worlds. The stretching crust lets molten rock, magma, rise from the mantle. This magma is Iceland's fiery source. It drives volcanoes and fuels geothermal activity. Every eruption adds a new layer. It's quite humbling. While fire rages from below, a different force dominates from above. Ice. Vast, ancient glaciers cover more than 10% of Iceland's surface. These are not merely static sheets of ice. They are colossal rivers moving under their own immense weight. The largest of them, Vatnajökull, is the biggest ice cap in all of Europe. It is so enormous that it covers multiple volcanoes beneath its frozen expanse. These glaciers are remnants of the last ice age, archives of climate history stretching back thousands of years, each layer of snow telling a story of a past winter. These frozen giants are the master sculptors of the Icelandic landscape. As they slowly grind their way towards the sea, they carve and shape the very mountains they sit upon. They pluck rocks from the earth, carrying them for miles, before depositing them elsewhere. They gouge out deep, U-shaped valleys. Well, it's a sobering sight. What happens when these two great forces meet directly? Well, the result is often explosive, profoundly dramatic. When a volcano erupts beneath the crushing weight of a glacier, the encounter is cataclysmic. The intense heat of the magma instantly melts the overlying ice, creating enormous quantities of water. When released, it can cause a devastating glacial outburst flood, a jökullaup. These floods can be biblical in scale, carrying icebergs the size of houses. Hot lava, cold ice, together produce immense clouds of steam and volcanic ash. This ash is made of tiny, sharp fragments rock glass. The 2010 Eyjafjallajökull eruption showed this to the world. Its ash cloud drifted across Europe, grounding air travel for days. Yet fire and ice also create stunning beauty. Bubbling mud pots, hissing steam vents, natural hot springs. This unique combination of geologic forces leaves us with many questions. One of the most profound is this: could Iceland split apart one day? The simple answer is yes, but not in the way one might imagine. The island is indeed being pulled apart by the separating tectonic plates. This process is continuous and measurable. However, it is happening at an incredibly slow pace. The rift that divides the island widens by only about 1 inch each year. Instead, the island is constantly renewing itself from the center. As the plates pull apart, the gap does not become an empty chasm. It is immediately filled in with new volcanic rock rising from below. Iceland is, in effect, healing its own wounds as they form. Over millions of years, the western part of Iceland will move further west, and the eastern part will move further east. The land currently in the middle will become old, and new land will be created along the active rift zone. The island will stretch and change its shape, but it will not simply break in two. It is a process of slow, perpetual rebirth. This constant motion is what makes Iceland feel so alive. It is a place that refuses to be static. The landscape you see today is just a snapshot in a long, ongoing film of creation. New mountains will rise. New valleys will be carved by glaciers. New coastlines will be drawn by lava flows. To visit Iceland is to feel small in the face of geological time. In this land of change, one thing remains certain: the Earth is always at work. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe.